Hi guys, today we're looking at the Ergonix Elements work boot, and this is the hydrogen work boot, so it's the elastic sided one. And the specific feature we're looking at is the composite toe cap, so the protective toe cap. So we have an option to go with either steel or a composite toe cap, and we went with this composite toe for a couple of reasons. Firstly, the steel and the composite toe cap perform identically on the crush and penetration prevention tests. So the benefits of either of those is much of a muchness. So the benefits of the composite toe cap is it's a better insulator of your feet. So in hot environments, it'll be cooler, and in cool environments, it'll keep your feet warmer. Whereas the steel cap will let the heat escape from your feet in the cold environments, and it'll let the heat in the warmer environments. So that's the reason why we went with the composite toe cap over a steel cap. We hope you find this helpful. Thanks.